I've got a simple bulleted list here, as you can see. Now sometimes you may wish to use sub-lists. Let me demonstrate what I mean. Okay, I've got the code here. Standard code for a bulleted list, the UL tag, close UL tag, and then each list item starts with the LI tag and closes with the LI tag. So let's say I want to include a sub list here. So let me make a bit of space. And okay, so all you do within these bullets, you just create a new tag, a new list. So the UL tag for, I believe it stands for unordered list. Close the tag. Let's create a couple of bullet points. So list item tag, sub list item 1, close the bullet. Second list item, sub list item 2. Okay, I forgot to close that. And actually what I'm going to do, it doesn't make any difference, but in the code here I'm going to place a tab at the start of the lines here, so it's clear. So the code is clear just for me viewing it, which is the sublist. It just makes things a bit easier to see. But this tab doesn't make any difference to the code itself. So let's save, go to the browser and refresh, and you can see how it looks. So let's create a sublist here. Unordered list, list item sub list item 1, list item sub list item 2. Let's close that list, UL. Okay, so you can see how that looks. So you're basically just listing the UL tag, which is for creating bulleted list, one within the other. So let's save, go back to the browser, refresh. So you can see how it looks, and each sublist has a slightly different style of bullet automatically. And you can also do this with ordered lists, which is the OL tag, which basically means numbered lists. So OL, close OL, let's save, back to the browser, refresh. Let's change these other bulleted lists to ordered lists, which means numbered lists. Change that, change UL to OL, save, back to the browser, refresh. So there we go, now we're dealing with numbered lists, all nested one within the other. So that's how you can nest bulleted and numbered lists, and it often helps, well, you may find that very useful, and it often helps with well, naturally if you do have sublists, it makes them a lot easier to read this way, and it's a quick and easy way of formatting your lists in an easy to read way.